guys! Good morning and good evening sa lahat ng mga kababayan. Yan, yeah. Well, different country, different days, different hours. So, good morning and good evening. Yeah, guys, we are here in Arkansas, closer to the borderline of Tennessee. Here we go. What is this? Bass Pro. That's a Bass Pro, and this one is the bridge between Arkansas and Tennessee, and this is the Mississippi River. So, sobrang lawak ng Mississippi River.
That's a field.
Yeah. I know. My husband is, ay nako. So, pasensya nang ako ang unsa ni amo ang windshield, maraming bags. We drive around a lot of bags. Grabe ang bags. Marami. Yeah. We are in Memphis, Tennessee now. Guys, good evening. Nandito kami sa I-40 truck stop. Magdi-dinner kami. Lalabas kami daw. Dinner date in the truck stop. Are you okay? Ay, labad akong ulo. Oy, kapoy.
I'm gonna have dinner with the hillbillies tonight.
Ay, nako, kapoy. So, yun lang guys. Lasama tayo, kainan.
The hell is that?
Ito yung catfish dinner ko. Sweet potato fries. And my husband has got. I have coleslaw. Where's this coleslaw?
That's yours.
No.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, that's mine?
Yeah.
I never.
Catfish too.
What?
Such a pig.
Nakaunta. Is it legit? Masarap. Marami. Ang laki ng catfish nila. Sobrang dami guys. Hindi ko
Let me
na
do
kaya.
this. Any kind of grease. Really?
Ayan, hindi ko na kaya. Ayan. Dami. Pero hindi ko this one. Well, mayroon din siya. Yep, so. But this is a refrigerator. The pump over. This is ham. Service. Wow. Yeah. I don't know if we are close, Han. Good morning, Han.
What's so good about it?
Good
Truck don't
morning.
work.
No, it's working. Good morning, guys. We still have one problem of our truck. What is that, Han? Lights.
My lights on my trailer. My pigtail. Something's the connection from my truck to the trailer is electrical lines called a pigtail. Plugs into my truck, goes into my trailer. Last trailer I picked up worked all right, but at first when I hooked it up, now my lights worked and I just shook it a little bit. I figured it was the trailer. I cleaned the connections a little bit, stuck it back on, it worked. Woke up this morning after sitting for 34 hours. I got 4 or 5 lights out, and I can't get them on. So you constantly disconnect the pigtail from the trailer all the time. Hooking up new trailers. After a while, it wears out. It wore out.
Yeah,
So
guys.
I gotta wait for maintenance to call me so they can bring me out a pigtail and fix the light. Until that happens, I'm stuck. Then after that, I have to go get my oil change on the truck, which we were in the shop a week ago. When I picked up the truck, could they change the oil then? No, they can't do their job. So when I come out here, they yell at me. They say, "Why didn't you get the oil change?" It's not my
Was
job.
that nice
I
there?
didn't know it.
Yeah.
So this is the kind of stuff we have to put up as a truck driver. It stinks. We have to work with a bunch of idiots in the office that have no idea what they're doing.
Yes, guys. So, yun lang, guys. Tapos na nagsalita. Yung isa, maingay. It's already almost 11 o'clock, Han. And guys, nandito pa rin kami. Hindi pa kami makaalis-alis kasi hindi pa naayos yung lights. And then, ako, lamig na lamig dito. Ang asawa ko, nainitan daw siya dun sa harap. Malamig. Kaya, ito, kumot.